Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Have a Heart and it's an open playlist and that's hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY. So now the co-hostesses are Crafty Hints and 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. So my youngest son decided to pop his head in the video just to say hello. Now jumping into the video, here what you see me doing is decorating one of the little wooden cutout wreaths that says I heart you. Isn't that cute? So now I decided to paint all the hearts in red, and we're going to be using 3 colors here to paint this wooden cutout. So we're going to be using white, we're going to be using the red, and we are going to be using a ballerina pink. And that's from Apple Bar. I believe I purchased that at Walmart. At the beginning of the video, I showed you some pictures of what the DIYs are going to look like. Now, I lost the footage to the conversation hearts, and those are so cute, but I figured I'd continue on. I couldn't find the footage anywhere. I don't know what happened to it, but I am absolutely positive that you're going to love all of these DIYs. So let's get back to it. So the Dollar Tree over here by me already went up to $1.25, and they did not come in with any kind of new product yet. So you can rest assured that I will update you as soon as they do. So if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you. I hope that you enjoy the video. I hope that you like the video and that you comment below. I hope that you subscribe to the channel. And for those of you who are already members of the Grace Life DIY family, I thank you so much for your support. And let's jump right back into the video. I so appreciate you. Now the Dollar Tree sells these wooden planks, and I think they come in a 6-pack. So I decided to place this on a stand rather than to make a wall decor hanging. And I decided to paint this in red. So these little wooden cubes, they sell at the Dollar Tree also. I decided to make little legs for this plank before we attach this round wreath. So that's what you see me doing here. I decided to color them in red, the same color as the plank. Now, if you guys have been with me long enough, I don't need very many reasons for me to add gems to anything. So I decided to add some to this wreath. Everything feels pretty dry, so we're going to start putting everything together. Okay, so I am almost done with this last little touch-up that I have to do right here. Let me turn this around for you. I think this came out so adorable. Look at it, so cute. Let's move on to the next project. So here we have one of the wooden hearts from the Dollar Tree. And this time around, I decided to get away from the red and the pink and even the white. So we are doing some purple. I got some purple glitter, some purple paint, and I also got some lace that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree, which by the way was new. So as I painted this heart in the purple color, I did go very thick on it because I'm planning to place the purple glitter right over that. So we're going to shake a nice amount of glitter on that, and then we're going to let that completely dry. And then what we're going to do is seal that in with Mod Podge. Now what I will say about this heart, and by the way, was with the Valentine's Day stuff because there's hearts on it. It is an absolutely beautiful lace if you can find it at your Dollar Tree. So we're going to go all the way around the heart with that lace. I think that's going to look absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the way this is coming out. Now the reason why I'm giving it little slits is so that it doesn't bunch up together. It seems to want to bunch up, and so this kind of relieves that. Then with the excess lace ribbon, I'm going to go ahead and use that as a hanger. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so now that the glue is dry and I cleaned up a little bit, this is what that heart is looking like. I am so happy with it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. Now it's time for the reveal of these beautiful pieces. I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. So I had an awesome time making these DIYs, especially those conversation hearts. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.